What's up, guys? Me and Luke here with another video. We're doing some creek fishing. We're gonna try and catch some mega largemouth bass and some carp and some gar. Isn't that right, Lucas?
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, we're gonna catch some fatties. Skirt! Good idea. Start? Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, it's going.
Dope. All right, viewers, so we got a nice creek down here and looks pretty nice from this angle. Yo, put it on the creek. Creek's looking pretty juicy, not gonna lie. You guys ready for this parkour? Nice. All right, so I expect a 10-pounder on my first cast. Whoa.
Close
10-pounder, close enough. Yo, actually, look at its eye. It's got like red eyes. Kind of fat, not gonna lie. What should I name it? Todd.
Jeremy. Todd.
Todd works. All right, so we got Luke Portman here. He's 5'11", 165 pounds, pro fisherman. He's fishing with a Megabass Spook. Oh, look at that action. That is delicious, if I do say so myself. Looks like you got a little leaf on there.
Got a little salad.
First catch of the day for Luke. Some leaves.
Very nutritious.
Look at that. Second cat. Oh no, there he goes.
I feel like they like the crawdad.
I think they do like the crawdad.
That was not
That was a nice fish. That was like a 2-pounder. Easily a 10-pounder.
Remember, you multiply by 2 and then add a half. That's the formula. Put it right here.
Dope. God damn it, I wish I could cast over more trees. Oh, I got a nice fish. Ah, dude, that's the second fish that's come off. Jesus. Dang it! God. I hope I step on some super sharp glass. Or a nail. A nail would be better. I just found the coolest thing. A scooter. Hey Luke, look what I found. It's a Razor scooter. A bit. Chilly Willy, Chilly Willy. Yeah. Mom, I'm really cold.
I just need a Band-Aid.
Mom, I need a Band-Aid. Oh yes. Yes. Big pain on my feet. Ouch. I think we're gonna need amputation. Yeah, wait up. Oh, I love it when there's loops in my line. Yes. Yes. Love it when that happens. Oh shit, I got a fish. No way. Oh, get the line, get the line. No, it came off.
What happened?
I had a big fish, so my craw was like sitting there. Oh my God, that was actually a big fish. And my line broke down here because there was a loop. And as my line was sitting there, a big fish grabbed it. And I was trying to pull it in. Dude, I already have like 2.5 trillion mosquito bites. Oh, Luke's got one. It's a monster. Oh, is it a catfish? Oh, no, it's a bass. Look at that guy.
Such a cutie.
Oh, yeah. What you gonna name him?
Daddy.
See you, Daddy. Hey, Luke, will you tell the viewers a story?
Tell the viewer a story.
Yes. Dude, we should climb up the bridge and then jump into the water.
Oh yeah, that'd be really exhilarating.
All right, we dropped Luke back off at home and we're gonna go to a different spot on that creek. And hopefully we won't lose as many fish. I literally lost like 3 fish back there. This creek is not it. I thought that it would be deeper, but it's like that deep. So I'm going somewhere else now. Okay, so I found like a tunnel that goes under the highway to another section of that creek. Can't see anything. Okay, we have finally reached the end of this tunnel. It's probably like I'd say that's 100 yards of tunnel. So creepy. Got him. Oh, bluegill. That's unexpected. This fish actually has some cool colors on it. Dope. Ooh, there's one. Got him. Wow, it's a giant. Fish is super pale. I'm gonna name him Jeremiah. Okay, I've had enough of this spot. Alright, well that's kind of a wrap for today. The creeks were low and there weren't a ton of fish around, and you know, we caught a couple. I think I lost more than I caught, but it was a good time. And I'm gonna come out here soon again when there's more water, and hopefully I'll do better.